Welcome to the WaveLinx CAT out-of-box operational overview demonstration.
So here we've created a standalone office with all of our products. We have a Bluetooth interface module, a sensor interface module, a contact closure input, a wall station, and an occupancy sensor. Our office also has an emergency switch pack, a Zone 1 and Zone 2 dimming switch packs. Our switch packs are wired to these three 0 to 10 volt lights. Let's begin by daisy chaining all of our devices. We'll start by putting our end-of-line terminator at the end of line and continue daisy chaining our devices with Cat5 cables, keeping in mind that it doesn't matter which port the Cat5 cable is plugged into at the device. Let's finish these up and move on to our other devices. After that switch pack, our daisy chain continues to the OCS, the wall station, the CCI, the SIM, and finally it ends at the BPI. Since this is the other end of our daisy chain, we're going to install our other end-of-line terminator. There should be something plugged into every port on every device. Whether it's a Cat5 cable or end-of-line terminator, let's power up our emergency switch pack and see what happens on power up. Our WaveLinx CAT devices are first going to blink green. Notice the ESP's light turned on, but no other devices have powered on. The ESP is fully booted. Notice its LEDs blinking red. This is because out of box it enters emergency mode. So now let's power up our normal circuit after our RSPs boot. Notice the LEDs are blue. These RSPs also supply power to all the other devices on the daisy chain, and they blink green and then blue after they boot. After devices boot, they will perform their out-of-box operation, meaning wall stations and sensors will control the lights, for example. The devices can be factory reset to out-of-box by pressing and holding the push button on the device for 5 seconds. Notice it blinks yellow and then green. Please be aware that until the emergency switch pack is programmed to monitor a normal switch pack, it will stay at 100% and not be controlled by any of the devices. If you have additional questions about factory resetting devices or out-of-box operation, please see our WaveLinx CAT install videos. I hope this video was informative, and thanks for watching.